is to fucking start shit. He ain't doing nothing except follow me around to scare people. Trying to set me up. Leave me the fuck alone. Look how fucking dirty you is. And trying to do that, like, look what I'm saying. Look how fucking childish he is. Cannot get his number. Like, literally, like, look, he keeps trying to sneeze on me. He runs around going into stores telling them that I have COVID. Get this motherfucker, for real. And him, it's like they're in a